Here's how I made $378 from a single email. Well, at least it started with one cold email. I'll explain. If you are not familiar with what a cold email is, basically a cold email is something you initiate from your side to another party who does not know you. Many great creators like Ankur Warikoo constantly emphasize the importance of sending cold emails. And after seeing results myself, I can see why. Anyway, here it is. Here's the cold email that I sent to a company. I sent them a simple message. I told them that their service seems interesting. I said I'll tell my community about this, and I linked my YouTube channel. I told them we have many gaming enthusiasts among us. Get it? Among us. And to my surprise, they responded. You see, Among Us works every time. Knowledge. So they said, thanks for reaching out. You have a good YouTube channel of tech enthusiasts. It might be a good fit. And they even offered me something which doesn't usually happen with the first response. So this is kind of an ideal case. They offered to give people 10% off their first purchase, and they offered me a small commission of that. And this happened, as you can see, on 2022, about 1 year ago. So I have counted all the passive commissions that I've got till now. And well, based on a simple addition, that's how much I got. And I just made this one video back then, which is driving the entire traffic. Now, like I said, this was an ideal case which worked without any evidence given from my side. But usually what I would do is something like this. This is something I'm working on recently, a cold email to Portronics. I basically describe what I have to offer, which is a subscriber count or a follower count across my social media. I specify my niche and what I want from them, and in exchange I give them some examples. Here I've shared some sales metrics that I've managed to do for another company, Megastro, which is a channel partner. I made a video on that product which did really well, and it managed to generate that much revenue for them. I mean, that's pulled from my Amazon dashboard, so I earned a commission for that too, but you can see that revenue is no joke, right? This is why influencers get free stuff from companies. When they send me a free product, they know that I can drive sales. Now, I'm gonna send this. I'm not sure what will happen. I'll share any updates that I have with you. Like for instance, I did the same to Cosmic Byte around a year ago. I mean, I generated a lot of sales for that company from a product that I purchased. You know, they didn't give me anything. They didn't sponsor me. I bought and did everything myself. And of course, I earned again commissions from the Amazon affiliate sales, but they did definitely get a lot of benefit from me, but they never responded. I mean, despite having a small channel, I'm able to pull like 7-figure revenue for companies. I even showed the screenshot to them, but they weren't convinced for some reason. So I'm telling you this with all honesty that cold emails don't always work. But if at all they do work in some cases, they often work well. What I'm saying is they are worth trying out. At worst, you maybe wasted a few minutes of your time drafting an email for a company. At best, you got a partner for your social media platform that gives you a mutually beneficial collaboration. You know, you get something, they get something, everyone wins. So yes, cold emails are definitely a great thing. Even if you don't have a social media thing, you can still offer your services as a freelancer. I have no experience with that, so I'm not gonna tell you the specifics because I can't teach something that I don't know. But even if you have a modest online following the way I do, you can make good money with this. So yeah, go ahead, try out cold emails. It can be really simple in the beginning, as I showed you. And as you get some experience, you can then show your proof. Like, this is what I've done for this company, I can do the same for you. And hopefully those sales numbers will get their attention. At least that's my strategy. I'm planning to make a lot more of these, make money online type videos. So leave a like if you appreciate this kind of content.